Hi, I'm Mike Grice, Chief Operating Officer of Boost Oxygen. I've been with Boost Oxygen for over 6 years now, and before that I served as a United States Marine. And one of the things that was very important during my service as a Marine was accomplishing our mission, and that was whatever it was we were directed to do in support of our national responsibilities and goals and objectives, including serving in places like Iraq and Afghanistan, the Pacific, and all over the United States. I love working at Boost Oxygen because we have a mission here too, and our mission is to bring the benefits of oxygen to all consumers. It's something I believe passionately in. I believe in our objective, and which is help is here, because Boost Oxygen is here to help. Boost Oxygen canisters are made in the USA. We have facilities that fill our canisters in Baltimore, Maryland, in Edgerton, Wisconsin, and in Milford, Connecticut. I'd like to thank everyone who uses Boost Oxygen. I'd like to thank our customers. I'd like to thank the team members, the people who make it possible for us to be able to accomplish our mission. And I'd like to thank you for your time for watching this video. Bye-bye.